Yo, what's up everybody? It's Mate here. And let me tell you, things are about to get interesting in the stock market. We're talking AI, artificial intelligence, and no, not the kind that's gonna steal your job. At least not yet. This is the kind of AI that's gonna make you some serious cash if you play your cards right. Think about it. AI is revolutionizing every industry, and smart investors are already betting big on AI stocks. But which ones have the highest potential in 2025? That's what we're diving into today. We're breaking down the best AI stocks, a mix of stable blue-chip stocks and high-growth companies that could explode in the coming years. This is your chance to get ahead of the curve, to be one of those investors who saw the potential before everyone else. Stay till the end, as I'll also reveal an under-the-radar AI stock that might surprise you. Let's dive in. First up, we've got the big dog of AI, the company that's been at the forefront of this whole revolution, NVIDIA. You know them, you might even have one of their graphics cards in your gaming PC right now. But NVIDIA is way more than just gaming. They're the leading provider of AI chips. We're talking about the powerful processors that are used to train AI models, the brains behind self-driving cars, and so much more. And the demand for these chips? It's through the roof. NVIDIA has been absolutely crushing it financially, with consistent revenue growth year after year. Their financials are rock solid, which is what you want to see in a long-term investment. But here's the thing, even after its recent surge, a lot of analysts think NVIDIA still has plenty of room to grow. Why? Because the demand for AI computing power is only going to increase as more industries adopt AI solutions. This isn't just about gaming anymore, this is about healthcare, finance, manufacturing, you name it. NVIDIA is powering the future, and investing in NVDA is like getting a piece of that future. Next, we're talking about a company that needs no introduction. A giant in the tech world that's been a staple in many portfolios for decades, Microsoft. But here's the thing, Microsoft isn't just some old-school tech company resting on its laurels. They're making some serious power moves in the AI space, and it all starts with their massive investment in OpenAI. You know, the company behind the mind-blowing AI chatbot, ChatGPT, yeah, that one. Microsoft poured a whopping $10 billion into OpenAI, and they're not stopping there. They're integrating AI into everything they do, from their cloud computing platform, Azure, to their suite of Office products like Microsoft 365. Imagine a world where your Word documents practically write themselves, where Excel spreadsheets analyze your data and give you actionable insights, all thanks to the power of AI. That's the future Microsoft is building, and it's a future that's looking very profitable. Their AI integrations with their existing products and services are giving them a serious edge in the market. This isn't just about building cool AI tools, it's about making AI accessible and useful for everyone. And that's where Microsoft shines. They're not just chasing the latest AI trends, they're strategically integrating AI into their core businesses, which is a smart move for long-term sustainable growth. Now, we can't talk about AI without mentioning the company that's practically synonymous with search alphabet, aka Google. But Google's ambitions go way beyond just helping you find the nearest coffee shop. They're aiming for AI dominance, and they've got the resources and the talent to do it. First off, you've got DeepMind, their AI research lab that made headlines by beating a world champion Go player. They're working on some seriously cutting-edge AI, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Then there's Google Cloud AI, their cloud computing platform that's giving businesses of all sizes access to powerful AI tools. And let's not forget about their AI-powered advertising platform, which is already generating billions of dollars in revenue. Google is everywhere, and they're using that reach to gather massive amounts of data, which is the fuel that powers AI. They're sitting on a goldmine of data, and they're using it to train their AI models to be smarter and more effective. But here's the kicker. Google is also investing heavily in ethical AI development. They understand the potential risks and challenges that come with AI, and they're actively working to address them. This focus on responsible AI development is not only good for the world, but it's also good for business. It builds trust with users and investors, and it positions Google as a leader in the ethical AI space. Chapter 4. Now let's talk about a more controversial pick, a company that's been shrouded in secrecy and surrounded by controversy, Palantir. They're known for their big data analytics platform that's used by governments and intelligence agencies around the world. Think of them as the real-life version of what you see in spy movies, analyzing massive data sets to track down terrorists, predict criminal activity, and basically give their clients an edge in the shadowy world of espionage. But Palantir isn't just for spies and governments anymore. They're expanding into the commercial sector, offering their AI-powered decision-making software to businesses in various industries, from finance to healthcare. And here's the thing, their software is seriously powerful. It can analyze massive data sets, identify patterns, and generate insights that would be impossible for humans to find on their own. Now, I know what you're thinking. Investing in a company that works with governments and intelligence agencies, that's a bit too big brother for me. And I get it, the ethical implications of Palantir's technology are definitely something to consider. But there's no denying the potential of their AI. They're operating in a space that's only going to become more important in the future, as data becomes even more valuable. If you're comfortable with the ethical considerations, Palantir could be a high-risk, high-reward play in the AI space. They're not for everyone, but they're definitely a company worth keeping an eye on. Chapter 5. Now, for those of you who like to live on the edge, who are looking for those high-growth, potentially explosive stocks, I've got one for you. C3.ai. This is one of the few pure-play AI stocks out there, meaning their entire business is focused on AI. No distractions, no legacy businesses holding them back, just pure, unadulterated AI. C3.ai provides AI-driven enterprise applications that help businesses optimize their operations, make better decisions, and ultimately, make more money. We're talking about things like predictive maintenance, fraud detection, supply chain optimization, and more. Basically, any area where AI can be used to improve efficiency and drive growth. And the best part? C3.ai, quote, S revenue growth has been accelerating, a sign that more and more companies are realizing the power of AI and turning to C3.ai for solutions. Now, I'm not gonna lie, C3.ai is a volatile stock. It's had its ups and downs, as many high-growth tech stocks do. But that volatility can also create opportunities for investors who are willing to stomach a bit of risk. If you're looking for a stock that has the potential to 10x or even 100x your money, C3.ai is definitely one to consider. But remember, with high reward comes high risk. This is a company that's still in its early stages, and there's no guarantee of success. Do your own research, understand the risks, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Chapter 6. Finally, let's talk about a company that's a little bit off the beaten path. A hidden gem in the AI space that I think has the potential to be a massive winner, SoundHound AI. You might not have heard of them yet, but you've probably interacted with their technology without even realizing it. SoundHound specializes in AI-powered voice recognition technology. They're the brains behind those voice assistants you find in cars, smart speakers, and other devices. You know, when you say, "Hey Mercedes, play some Drake," or "Alexa, order more coffee," that's SoundHound's technology at work. And here's the thing, voice is becoming the interface of the future. As more and more devices become voice-enabled, the demand for SoundHound's technology is only going to increase. They've already partnered with some major players in the automotive and tech industries, including Hyundai, Mercedes-Benz, and Pandora. These partnerships are giving SoundHound access to a massive market, and they're just getting started. Now, SoundHound is still a relatively small company, and they're not profitable yet. But their revenue is growing rapidly, and they're sitting on a ton of cash. This is a company that's perfectly positioned to capitalize on the growing trend of voice-enabled devices. If you're looking for an under-the-radar AI stock with huge growth potential, SoundHound AI is definitely one to watch. The future is AI. Invest wisely and prosper. There you have it, folks. Those are some of the best AI stocks to invest in for 2025 and beyond. From established giants like NVIDIA and Microsoft to up-and-comers like C3.ai and SoundHound AI, the AI revolution is creating some incredible opportunities for investors. These AI stocks are set to dominate the market in 2025 and beyond. Whether you prefer stable blue-chip stocks or high-growth potential plays, the AI revolution is just getting started. Remember though, investing always comes with risks. Do your own research, understand the companies you're investing in, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Which AI stock do you think will skyrocket? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI investing insights.